Alright, good day everyone. I'll be showing you a short tutorial video guiding you on how to import the ZIVPN file, the configuration file into your ZIVPN application. The first thing you are to do is to download the file that is being sent to you. When you have paid, then you download the file. After you have downloaded the file, the ZIVPN file sent to you, then you make sure you have subbed for your 100 Naira Opera Mini bundle plan. Then you make sure you have also downloaded the VPN app. You can see the app over here. So I've downloaded it. So what you have to do is just to open the app. When you open the app, you are going to meet this interface. Then the next thing to do is to tap on the top right corner of your screen. It's just like SSH custom app, almost like it. So just tap on it. Then you will see open config. You can see it over here. That's what you are going to tap. You press open config. Then it will take you to your file manager. I don't know, based on maybe based on the phone you'll be using, it might take you to files. So all you have to do is just to tap on the top left corner of your screen. Then it will display the name of your device over here. As you can see, mine is being displayed, so you tap on it. Then it will take you to this interface where you have a lot of folders for your device. Then you tap on Android the same way. Okay, where is Android? Okay, this is Android folder. You tap on Android folder. After you tap on Android folder, you tap on media. So that is media over there. After you tap on media, you scroll down and you look for com.whatsapp. Com.whatsapp. So you can see this is com.whatsapp over here. So should in case you are making use of the WhatsApp business application, then yours will become whatsapp.w4b. You can see it over here too. But the file was downloaded on WhatsApp, so you have to just tap on com.whatsapp. When you tap on com.whatsapp, you tap on WhatsApp again. After you tap on WhatsApp, you click on media again. Then you look for WhatsApp documents. Okay, this is WhatsApp documents. You tap on WhatsApp documents and boom, you can see the file is here already. So that is how it will be displayed on your own device. So this is the file. This is the Glow Unlimited file, Super Glow Unlimited. So all you have to do is just to tap on the file, and you see config imported successfully. So the config has already been imported successfully. So that is all on how to import the config into your app. So I'll just go ahead and connect it so that you can see that is working. All right, so to connect, you turn on your mobile data on and you just click on start. And you see ZIVPN want to set up a blah 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 blah. You just click on OK and you wait for it to connect. It may take some time. Sometimes the VPN may misbehave and it can just close by itself. All you have to do is to when it does that, you first stop the VPN app, then you go ahead and click on start again. So you can see it didn't connect. So what I will just simply do is to first stop the app. So for stop, let me open the app back and connect. Okay, so you just leave it, let it do his work. Okay, still did the same, still closed by itself. Click on start again. Okay, you can see connected. You can see it over here. It's connected already. You can see it. It's connected. See, you are ready to go. So it's connected already, and you can see, to show you that it's connected, you can see it here. If you come over here, you can see ZIVPN connected. So that is how you connect the file. So whenever you experience, for the first time of you connecting the file, the VPN app might misbehave. So just for stop the app, you start it. You click on start again. If the VPN app closes, you still for stop the app. You open it again. You try connecting. If it closes, just open the app again and click on start. As you can see, I demonstrated for you so that. So let me go ahead. Let me just stop it and reconnect again. You see it's going to work. So you can see I've removed it already, so it's not connected again. So let me click on start, and you see it's going to connect. All right, you can see connected. So you can see it's already connected. So you mostly have that problem when you are connecting the file for the first time. So once you connect the file for the first time and it connected successfully, that is all. Enjoy.